Welcome! In this video, I'll be showing you how to edit your status on the Discord app on your PC with the newest update. Discord is always adding new features and design improvements, so it's useful to stay up to date and know exactly where things are located. Let's get started. First, open up the Discord app on your computer. Once it loads, take a look at the bottom left corner of your screen. That's where you'll see your profile picture, along with your username and a few quick options. This is the spot where you'll begin making any changes to your status. Next, click directly on your profile picture. A small menu will appear that allows you to quickly see or adjust your current status. In the updated version of Discord, you'll notice an option to edit your status right there. Look for the small pencil or edit icon next to your status area. Go ahead and click on that. Now you can make your edits. This is where you can type out a custom status to let your friends, teammates, or community know what you're up to. You might use it to show you're available, busy, or even just share something fun. You'll also see options for emojis and clear time settings, depending on how long you want the status to stay visible. After you've typed in what you want and customized it how you like, the final step is to save your changes. Look for the Save button and click it. Your new status will immediately appear, and everyone on your Discord will be able to see the update right away. That's all it takes. Editing your status on the Discord app is quick and simple once you know where to look, and the latest update makes it even easier to personalize your account. Whether you're gaming, working, or just hanging out online, setting a custom status helps you share a bit more of what you're doing with your friends and servers. So now you know exactly how to edit and update your status on Discord from your PC. Give it a try and make your profile feel even more personal.